Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. And welcome to our Excel challenge number 2. As you may know, there are 26 challenges that I have prepared on behalf of Enterprise DNA. So we're gonna solve the second Excel challenge, which is related to data validation and also conditional formatting. So I would like to share my screen and to give a little bit info about the Excel challenge. So you can download the Excel challenge from just forum.enterprisedna.com, where you can find also other challenges. But so here, in part of this forum workouts, the second challenge is related to data validation conditional formatting. So, sorry. So here you can find the necessary description regarding the challenge, and also you can download this one. And at the end, there is also solution provided by me. You can also find the solution and you can download it. Actually, I have already downloaded these 2 files, and the link will be shared under this video on my YouTube channel. So let's go on with our conditions. It requires us to implement data validation here, where all the countries' names will be in drop-down list format. And then what country we gonna select, the say line or row where that country is located will be highlighted. We can do it with conditional formatting. So let's get started. Actually, I can show you the result. For example, in solution Excel file, we can see that here data validation has been implemented. For example, when I select Austria, you see the Austria line is highlighted. Or when I select Azerbaijan line, where it's located, is highlighted. So I'm just going to close this Excel file. So let's get started with data validation. So here I place my cursor. Then I go to Data tab. From Data Tools group, I select Data Validation. And from this window, I select List. And here, I'm just going to select all these country names. And OK. So now we can see, we can select any country, but no line just is highlighted. So we know that our list begins with L8 line. So if L8 equals to this one, M5, and it must be fixed, so then the row must be highlighted. And here, if we are going to highlight all the rows, we have to use fixed references. So our one of our criteria must be fixed. So we'll understand it in next minute. So let's write the formula here. For example, we have to say that if this one equals to this one. So let's see, it's false, right? And just to keep this one, because this is the only unique cell, we have to select, we have to fix it by selecting and pressing F4. And also here, we can add $sign like this. So this is our formula, right? So what are we going to do? We just select all this area, right? Let's select all this area, and we go to home, say conditional formatting, new rule, and use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here I say equal L or $L8. I keep rows as say optional, relational. Why relative? Why? Because I have to also consider the other lines. I mean rows. And I say if this one equals to this one, which is M5, and press F4, then format and fill. Let's fill with this one. Let's select this one. And we can also give font color, but let's keep like this. Say OK, OK, and this, like this. So when I'm just selecting any, you see, country, you know, the row is highlighted. But most probably there is a mistake. If we pay attention, only this line is selected. So what can be the reason? So for these kind of issues, let's select once again the area, and we can go to our home tab, from home tab conditional formatting, and say manage rules. And let's say, if you pay attention here, let's say edit rule, we fixed only row number. So if we add $sign and say OK, and say apply, and once again OK, we see the whole row is selected. So let's try once again. If we say Cyprus, you see Cyprus row is whole as a whole highlighted. So now we implemented data validation and also conditional formatting. So that's all for Excel challenge number 2. See you tomorrow with the solution of Excel challenge number 3. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.